Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your Bromley Council Tax account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in BRL Tax Login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.br.gov. Click on that link. Now, you will be taken to the new interface. Scroll down a bit. Here, you can see the sign-in form. You just need to enter your username over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. Once you click on the sign-in button, you'll easily access your account. In case you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Password to recover your password. If you don't have any account of GRL, just click on Register to create a new account. That's all for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.